Good morning, class 5th. How are you all? I hope you are fine. So, class, this is your maths period. Take out your maths books and your maths notebooks. So, we were doing our chapter number 9, which is measurement, right? We are doing this exercise 9B. We have done first and second questions of this exercise and some parts of question 3, question 4 and question number 5th, right? So open your maths notebook, put today's date 4th of February 2021, today is Thursday. Then write down classwork. Write down the heading writing metric measures in decimal notation. So we learned this table. It's King, K for King, Harry, died, mother, didn't cry much. K is kilometer, H is hectometer, D is dam, M is meter, D is decimeter, C is centimeter, and M is millimeter. So this is King, Harry, died, mother, didn't cry much. This is a sentence which helps you in learning this table. ये इतनी easily learn नहीं हो पाती है, तो इसलिए हमें sentence के through इसको learn कर लेंगे. That K is for king or kilometer, H is for Harry or hectometer, D is for died or dam, decameter, M is for mother, meter, D is for didn't, and D is for decimeter. Then C is for cry and C is for centimeter, M for much and M for millimeter. Kilometer, hectometer, dam, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. All right. Now what is the rule? That moving from left to right we multiply by 10 at each step. जब भी हम लेफ्ट से राइट में मूव करेंगे तो हम हर स्टेप पे 10 से क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. एंड मूविंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 10 एट ईच स्टेप. जब हम राइट से लेफ्ट में मूव करेंगे तो हम हर स्टेप पे 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ऑल राइट. नाउ नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. Question number 3, part E, exercise 9B, question number 3, express in meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Note down part E, 0.759 meters. Now here point से पहले वाली digit is meter, then 7 decimeter, 5 centimeter and 9 millimeter. So 0 meter means 0 मीटर, देन 7 मीटर के बाद डेसीमीटर, देन 5 डेसीमीटर के बाद सेंटीमीटर एंड देन 9 सेंटीमीटर के बाद मिलीमीटर. नाउ एज दिस इज 0 मीटर सो हम इसको नहीं लिखेंगे एंड वील राइट ओनली 7 dm, 5 cm एंड 9 mm. All right. Now part F. 354.018 meters. Now this is 3 meters, sorry 354 meters. Point से पहले वाली digit is meter. Then 0 decimeter, 1 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So 354 meters, then 0 meter के बाद decimeter, then 1 centimeter and then 8 millimeter. Now 354 meters, 0 dm, so we won't write it. Then 1 centimeter and then 8 millimeter. Okay. Now note down question number 4. Express in kilometer, hectometer, dam and meter. Note down question number part E. 0.652 kilometer. Now this is 0.652 kilometer. So point से पहले वाली digit is kilometer. Then next is hectometer. Next is dam and next is meter. So 0 kilometer है तो हम नहीं लिखेंगे. We'll start from 6 hm, 5 dam and 2 meter. All right. Now note down part F. Two 230.048 kilometers. So again point से पहले वाली digit is kilometer. So 230 kilometer. Then this is hectometer, dam and then meter. So hectometer is 0, so we won't write it. Then we'll write 4 dam and then 8 meters. All right. Now note down question number 5th. Using decimal notation, express in kilometers. Now note down part D of question number 5th, which is 6 hm and 3 m. Now we have to convert it into kilometers, right? So firstly we'll convert hm into km, then we'll convert m into km, and then we'll add both the units. Okay. So in 1 hm there are 1/10 km. In 1 hm there are 1/10 km. So in 6 hm there are 6/10 km. Now there is 1 0 in the denominator. So point कहाँ पे आएगा? So 6 hm is equals to 0.6 kilometers. All right. Now we'll convert 3 meter into kilometer. So in 1 meter there are 1/1000 kilometer. So in 3 meters there are 3/1000 kilometers. Now there are 3 zeros in the denominator. So 3 meter is equals to 0.003 kilometers. Okay. So now we have converted 6 hm into kilometer and 3 meter in kilometer. Now we'll add 0.6 kilometer and 0.003 kilometer. So 0.6 kilometers plus 0.003 kilometer is equal to, make a rough column here. So this is 0.6 and 0.003. So this is 306.0. So answer is 0.603 kilometers. All right. Okay. Now mark your homework class 5th. In question 3, part G and part H. In question 4, again part G and part H. In question number 5, part E and part F. These 6 questions are your homework for today, which you have to do in your maths notebook. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you so much, class 5th. Take care. Bye-bye.